Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Peter. Today I'd like to show you how to add signature to your Gmail. So to start, you need to go to web browser, go to your web browser, and then you go to www.gmail.com. Okay. So once you're on Gmail, what you need to do is to sign into your Gmail account. So I'm going to sign into my Gmail account from here. So I'm signing into my account. I'm going to click on next. And from here, I'm going to type in my password. And then I'm going to click on next. Then I'm waiting for my account to come up. So this is my Gmail account. So if you want to set up your signature, what you need to do is to go to settings. Here, you click on settings. And then from settings, you go to see all settings here. And then here I have my settings. So what you need to do now is to scroll down to signature section of this. So you scroll down and go to signature. Then this signature. Here I have signature. Then I have no signature. Can you see this message? No signature. That means I've not created a signature on this account. So what I'm going to do now is to click on create new. And then I'm going to put the signature name. The signature name is going to be Peter's signature. And then I'm going to click on create. And here I'm going to type in details of my signature. So I'm going to type John Doe and then the company's name. Then my email address. And with my telephone number. Then I'm going to add my address. Okay, so I'm also going to add, you can decide to add image. You can insert an image into your signature. So I'm going to add my company's image to this now. So I'm going to click on insert image here. So I'm going to, this is the image I'm inserting. I'm going to click on the image and then click on select. So as you can see, the image has been added here. So I'm going to reduce the size of this image. So I'm going to click on small. So my image has been added. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to change this font. You can change the font if you like. So I'm just changing the font now, and then I'm going to make this large. I'm also going to make it bold. I'm going to change the text color. Then I'm going to make the company name bold. Then I'm going to make this large too. So for my email address, I need to link this email address. So I'm going to click on link. Then I have the phone number, I have my address. So I'm going to scroll down now and then go to signature defaults. So I'm going to make Peter signature my default signature. So I'm going to click on this and say Peter signature. I'm going to select Peter signature. And then as you can see, for new mails, if I want to send a new mail, this signature is going to appear there. If I'm also replying or forwarding a mail, it's going to appear also. So I'm going to click on Peter signature. And then I'm going to scroll down, and here I have this message that says insert signature before quoted text in reply. That means if I'm replying a mail, then my signature will appear on top. So it's going to come before the content of that particular mail that I'm replying. So I'm going to click on this, and then I will scroll down and then click on save changes. So you can add as many signatures as possible. So I'm going to click on save changes. And then here I have my inbox. I'm going to check whether my signature is there now. So the next I'm going to do now is to go to compose. And then as you can see, inside my compose, inside my new message, you can see my signature. The signature is there. I'm going to send a mail. Let me just compose a mail now. Say, dear friends, welcome to my channel. So the subject is hi guys. Then recipient, I'm sending it to myself. So I'm going to send the mail now. I'm going to click on send. Now I have the mail in my inbox. Then this is the mail. As you can see, my signature is there already. So this is how you can add signature to your Gmail. Once again, I want to appreciate you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.